I'll be honest, I've never given headliners much of a thought, or at least when it comes to them being in a Jeep Wrangler. But then, most of the Jeeps that Cindy and I have owned and still own look a whole lot like this. But then, after we got this new Jeep Gladiator, and found that it came with a headliner installed from the factory, I have to say, I've become quite the fan. I mean, in addition to its insulating properties, and it does do a good job of helping out with the heat, I find that it makes it cozier and quieter inside as well. Yeah. Of course, now I want them in all our Jeeps, or at least the ones that have a hardtop. And while I could buy a set from Mopar or one of the other companies that make an aftermarket version of it, this is what I really wanted. This is the Hazard 4 molded storage headliner, and it's actually something that I saw way back at the 2022 SEMA show. So I'm standing here over at Hazard 4, and I stopped here because I saw some interesting modular systems that I think a lot of you might be interested in. In addition to helping to keep the inside of your Jeep cooler and quieter, these two-piece thermo-molded headliners are designed to perfectly fit the contours of your Freedom Top panels, and as an added bonus, provide very usable storage space as well. As you can see here, the top part of the headliner, the part that attaches to the Freedom Top panels, it's made out of a solid foam, and that helps to give it rigidity and a lower profile. On the bottom side, it's made out of a nice soft foam and comes complete with a Velcro MOLLE system that allows you to attach additional accessories or pouches and things like that. Opening it up, you can see that more Velcro MOLLE is available on the bottom half of the headliner, and on the top half, additional accessories and or applications can be Velcroed within the recesses of it. Of course, these headliners also come with a handle and a means to attach an optional shoulder strap so that you could use it as something like a portable first aid kit or a go bag. Now, the installation of these headliners is super easy. It can be done in just minutes, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do now. To make things easier for me, I'm going to be removing my Freedom Top panels and do the installation on the ground. But first, I'm going to be placing a clean packing blanket on the ground to help protect the paint on the Freedom Top panels. Starting with the driver's side, just need to unlock everything and then remove the top. Carefully place it on the ground, and then using 91% isopropyl alcohol, I'm going to clean the entire inside surface of the Freedom Top panel just to help make sure that any grease or grime can be removed that would otherwise prevent proper adhesion. Okay, after selecting the appropriate panel for the side that I'm working on, and we'll just double check. You can see this is a perfect fit. All I have to do is peel off the backing on the adhesive and then carefully place it down. Trying to make sure all these cords are out of the way. Position it in and then press down on each side for about half a minute. All right, now for the other side. right, that ought to do it. Hey, hey, are you helping? Here, you can push down, right here. Good, oh. Now, all I have to do is reinstall the Freedom Top panels. Now, I should note that in the unlikely event that the Velcro were to come free and the headliner were to fall down, these headliners actually do come with these paracord loops, which will allow you to attach them to all the points on your top, and they act as a safety strap. Okay, on to the other side. And that's all there is to it. Now that is awesome. And as you can see, it totally works with our accessory bar and radio mount too. I'd like to give a big thanks to Hazard4 for sending us a set of their awesome headliners for the purposes of testing and review. And for those of you guys who don't already know, Hazard4 makes a whole host of backpacks and range bags, accessories, and more, including this awesome pillbox. Much like their headliners, this thing is made out of light molded foam. Comes with all kinds of compartments for a tablet, your phone, and has on the inside adjustable dividers that Velcro in place, 360 foam padding. This thing is actually perfect for carrying camera equipment, your drone, laptop, your tablet, anything else that you might need to take with you out on the trail and make a video just like this. Needless to say, if any of this is something that you might be interested in, we would really appreciate it if you click on the affiliate link in the description below and start shopping Hazard4 today. In the meantime, if you're not already a member, we would love for you to come visit us at wayalife.com and become a part of our online community. Until next time, keep the shiny side up, all four on the floor, and with any luck, we'll see you on the trail.